Well, guess what? I'm finally done. Got the top painted, the top's still wet. Got the fins on, got the windows on, got the mirrors in, got the back nailed in. I just put a couple staples in the back to hold it. Didn't go crazy. I didn't finish the back. Hope it's gonna go against a wall. Got the fin in there. Paint's still kind of wet. It's NASA on the side, the roof, inside the windows, bookcase. Took a little while. I just did it for content, a little bit each day. So I'm happy with it. It was all for the challenge of doing it, doing something different. Painting was the number one reason. I hadn't painted. I have not painted anything. I've used white lacquer on something probably 20 years ago. And this was the new Gallery Series paint from Sherwin-Williams. And I was really impressed with that at a show. So I had to try that. And I'm really happy with the results of that. It's got 2 or 3 coats on it. I thought about putting a clear on top of it, but I'm happy with it the way it is. So I'll put together a video of the whole build of this so you can see it in action, step by step how I did it, and all the tools I used.